church members, not souls. Many church pastors preach, they want to win favor. That is why many pastors, when you preach, they try to condemn. But no human can reward us. Only God can reward us. Everybody say, and more power with Sanka more in the awareness ya. Oh, nka wura ma bobe wetumi a che no. Aboa bia live awareness nti. All the animals are wild. All the animals are vigilant. And all the animals making sure that they can live peacefully, they can live in protection, because the animals believe that there is a forces on the darkness. The animals know that Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 to 3, after God himself created the hell, the heaven and the earth, the darkness came in the surface of the land. Animals are aware that when they are living, darkness can come. That is why all the animals create awareness. The hunter come back home and cry. He cried because a mompo wurama wojiri se bibi wo wiase ntino wo hwoma kwan ye and the sabio obun 7 year bre no kunkum yam 1 by 1 na ye wu 1 by 1 ntino wa creating nkofo wa invite wa abonsafo and wa pare pass yo mo na nipa di o machi and ye be kasa kire mo say bibia ni wiase biem wo bedi yesu di a bibia ni wo eyentro. The apostles knew Jesus Christ. The apostles know Jesus Christ. But it came to pass, even as I'm speaking, the Lord descended to me. John the Baptist was prophet, but it came to pass, one woman, the queen, the king daughter, was able to request the head of John the Baptist. When you are living in this world, I want you to create awareness. As a wise man, be careful in your life. As a wise woman, be careful with your life. Anyone who creates awareness will not live your life anyhow. Oh, sorry, your baby, I don't want to be open. I just say when we saw baby said Atalia, now the panis na home maybe a go now feel sex a gamea shawoma because you don't live awareness. Senka wouldn't awareness and I will live awareness. Over shawa kwan ye, over my when ya the hawati, and now Jimmy bomb pie a casachi that will say 2026, the day is coming. You don't know what is coming inside the day, you don't know what is coming with